Hi guys, how are you? It is 10:09 a.m. in India. So I'm going to show you how to use the clickworker. You just need to open your Play Store, Google Play Store, then just need to click on the search bar and you need to write clickworker. Clickworker. You can see here that clickworker is showing here. There are two buttons, as you know, any app that there is an install and uninstall button, but I already installed it, so it is showing open. So I need to open this. This is the dashboard of these jobs. This is the dashboard or home screen of the Clickworker app. Now Clickworker is currently updating their terms and conditions, so you just need to read the terms and conditions. There are some audio projects available for me, and I can also log into UHRS from here, but I always recommend that please don't, never ever try to do jobs from mobile phone. You don't need to, because why I am saying this, because first of all the screen size is very small here in mobile, and in heat apps you can see that there are heat apps where you need extra screen size to show the full information. So for that reason, and second one is the it is not possible to um, install the UHRS extension, which provides many facilities over the heat app. So that's why it is always recommended that please never ever use what, mobile phone. You just need to use your laptop or desktop. Okay. And this is the dashboard. You can see here on the upper left corner you can see your earnings from there, and you can see here the three dots in the upper right corner display hidden jobs. Some jobs are hidden, so I don't have any hidden jobs here. Assessments are available here, work history is available here. You can contact the support from here. Let's see. And this is the support section, so you have to, if you click on this plus button, it will open a ticket processing system. So but I recommend that please don't use this to submit a ticket. Use your desktop or laptop to submit a ticket. I have another video regarding that how can you submit a ticket. Just consult that video in my channel. Okay. And it will open a FAQ, how to register. These are the facts. You can check your facts from here. Okay. Second is the assessment section. If you have any assessment pending, you can see here your profile section. It is your profile. You can update your profile information from here. Okay. You can also remove your profile information from here, right? You can, if you have any skill, you can add the skill from here, right from your mobile phone. You can put your work sample, right? If you have any have any previous experience, you have work of freelance, right? You have work sample of freelance. You just need to um, put that work sample here. Now the second unit is the notification. You can see various notifications here. um, Here you can see the notification that changes to PayPal payments. Actually, those who joined before 7th of July they are entitled for PayPal payments, but after 7th of July, Payoneer is the only payment option here. Now the menu option is from, you can open this menu option from here, and you can see that you can see the payment details from here, like this one, your tax and PayPal account details. Invoices, you can see your invoices from here. And account history, this is very important section of your earnings. So you will can see that, as you know that pay clickworker pay weekly. Okay, so the week starts from Saturday to next Saturday. So that week payment is accumulated in UHRS. You can see the accumulated money in UHRS report section. I already have an I already have a video regarding the report section. You can check my channel for the report section explained on UHRS, and you can check that how much your payment is transferred from UHRS to clickworker. Visit forum. This is the community support. You can visit the forum from here. It is right now not available. Facebook community is here. You can see that this is a Facebook community, official Facebook community. You can sign up here, and I suggest that please join this Facebook community. Clickworker also have Instagram presence. So um, Instagram is not showing here, right? It may be for connection problem. So you can open the Instagram button, or you can also have your just open your laptop, and at bottom of clickworker website you can click on the Instagram link. You can activate night mode for a dark user interface. It will soothe your eye, so your eyes don't get hurt. See, you can change your password, you can change your permissions from here. This is the typical Android permission, and it is the info regarding the app. So this is the clickworker app. You can't do UHRS jobs from here, but you can update, you can see what kind of jobs are available right now on UHRS. You can complete your assessment, you can update your profile from this app. Okay, so if you like this video, you can press the like button. You just need to share to your friends and colleagues about this video, and you can subscribe. Please subscribe my channel, because you people are not subscribing. Okay, so this is not fair. You just need to subscribe for more informative videos like this. Thank you for your time, and have a good day.